Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome back Rndr community to a new video on Rndr. It was requested by some of you, so here it is. Here's my view and my analysis on Rndr right now. But apart from that, believe it or not, but I've been following Rndr daily as well for the last, for the last couple of weeks actually. Because Rndr actually right here, when it was quite bullish at the beginning of September, I already saw it. It was getting quite a lot of resistance right here from 1.5. And just in general, it seems to me that Rndr is a little bit manipulated. If you take a look at the volume, especially over the last month, you can see that it really started to rise a lot during that 7th of September, like way more than it was before that. Here you can see that the volume was around like 14, 15, perhaps sometimes above 20. And then it continuously rose above 20 and above 30, above 40 sometimes. So I think there's some sort of manipulation going on with Rndr. Now, does that matter? And by the way, the volume sources also state that a lot from Top Credit, CoinTiger, etc. But does that matter? No, not that much. It's not as manipulated as you see often in other cryptos. So it's not that much of a problem. So in this video, what we'll do is we'll talk about what to really expect from Rndr, all right, in terms of price. We'll take a look at technicals. We'll take a look at some fundamentals. Hopefully everything you need to know. That's at least my goal. So that's what we'll try to do. Before we dive into that, I do want to mention that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades on signals. So also if I take a trade on Rndr. But apart from that, you also gain access to a chat room full of traders, which is very valuable. If it sounds interesting, consider joining. Links will be down in the description. But for now, onto Rndr. So what I actually wanted to check out first is the open interest and the volume. And what you can see there is that actually, calmed down quite a bit over the course of the last couple of days. Now it's very high. And that is interesting because this is usually an indication of momentum. And that's also what we've seen over the course of today. Quite a lot of bearish momentum right here, testing the 50 EMA around 1.58. And now it's trying to break above this level. And there is something with this level, all right, which you need to know about. And that is that it's technically a very, very strong area. And that's for two reasons. Well, yeah, two reasons. On the 4-hour time frame, it's a massive resistance level and it's supported by the 382 Fib of this entire move down, which is very strong. All right, so that's a strong Fibonacci level. And then if you check it out on the daily time frame, you'll see that it's supported by the 100 and the 200 EMA on the daily time frame. So that is quite a lot of resistance. All right, so the big thing is this level right here between 1.66 and $1.63. That's the main area. And at this point of time, I do not, and that's also supported by my view of Bitcoin, which I expect to be bearish. At this point of time, I do not think, and that's risky to say because Rndr is in a very big uptrend now, but I do not think Rndr will break above this. I think it will try. I think it might spike up towards 1.7, but I think eventually it will not really break above that, and that eventually we'll see a drop down towards 1.54 and 1.5 again. It's risky to say this because this is 100% predicting a reversal, but it is such a strong resistance level that I just do not see Rndr breaking through. It's a possibility. If Rndr is really able to break above 1.66 and hold that as a support, then I was wrong and Rndr will continue up to 1.75. But for now, that is not my expectation. So that's my take on Rndr. I hope you like it. At least I'm being honest with you. I think it's a pretty well informed analysis. But let me know what you think. All right, this is my take. Thank you for watching. Have a great weekend in advance and bye.